Survival. Time for Darwin. Picture thus a path to excellent to mutation as such, or better said, simple probability logic. Meaning we want to arrive at a number for x1, this one here, x1, in the equation to that which is there, x2, and arriving that x2 unequals 0, meaning that it's not the ruled out mutations. So if we had 1 plus 1 smaller x and 1 equals x as true outcome to be then x or higher, leading with premise 2 to x equals x as all of x infinite to all value at equal distribution, meaning we're now having all new mutations that occur at equal value to survival or equal possible impact, then x equals x plus 1 squared 1 smaller x, meaning the scenario x equals x plus 1, a change in mutation, squared to an unwritten path and unwalked path with the least obstacle, 1 smaller x, meaning the smallest number we can think of that randomly can occur, equals x, meaning establishing mutation to be ruled out. To probability occurring of x equals 1, mutation different and equivalent, x smaller 1 equals 0 smaller 1, mutations ruled out to survival, the smallest chance, the smallest difference in mutation that are at least and last ruled out. Thus x plus x equals smaller 0 equals x1, mutation with same value to stable. Thus, the mutations that don't have the highest impact on a biological scale, but to an unwritten, unconjured, unoccurred yet, but forming by the biological impact of the organ or the person, or the better said mutation also in this case, of such species, to ruling out for that they create their own biospherically difference and form a conflicting scenario that leaves only a path unwalked, or better said, a mutation that is not having remains of an impact if it would die out, meaning the same impact to all of its behavior to survival. Thus x2 equals x1 smaller x or x1 smaller 1, mutations ruling out, leading up to x equals x1 smaller 1 as A, x2 unequals x or 1 smaller x as B, thus leading to x2 unequals 0.